If you can crawl your way to the front of the waitlist, Fractional Shares is finally here for Robinhood, which is super exciting, as it seems like they're actually trying to build themselves into a respectable brokerage. I imagine most of you guys know what fractional shares are, but in case you don't, let me just explain it to you really quick. This is Tesla. Now, if you want to own some of this company, normally you would just go and buy an individual share. That's exactly what this guy is. But what if you can't afford a share, but you still want to be a part owner of this company? Well, that's what fractional shares allow you to do, is they allow you to cut that share into a smaller piece so you can get in for less money. So if you're one of those people who've been drooling over Tesla, but literally cannot afford a share of Tesla, you can get in for as little as 1/1,000,000th of a share, which is crazy. So if you wanted to, you could be the proud owner of 0.00000000005% of Tesla, given their 1.66 billion market cap. Now, buddy, imagine if that doubled. I'd be shooting the confetti cannon for you, man. That'd be sick. So maybe Elon isn't really your cup of tea, which is fine. You don't like adventure, you don't like exploration, exploring the final frontier. I don't know, final frontier that is electric cars. I guess Tesla and SpaceX are not exactly one and the same. But they sent a Tesla to space, so ha. So anyway, if Elon isn't your cup of tea, whatever. Instead of having just one AMD share, having all your egg in one basket, you can actually diversify your $50 into a bunch of different companies. Let's take a peekaroo and see how it looks on the app. Where is my phone? So when you actually want to go buy a fractional share, you're gonna look up whatever ETF or stock you want to get into, and then you're gonna tap trade, and then do your very best not to tap trade options. Don't do it, and tap buy instead. So here normally you would enter some multiple of 1, but instead you can enter some number less than 1 as long as it's greater than 1/1,000,000th. Then you can send it off, and you can see that we got into SPY, which is normally over $300 for 3 pennies. That's it. The thing is, this can be kind of tricky if you're trying to like figure out how much money you want to put into this. You have to kind of guess and check, or I guess you could do the math. Yeah, nerd. You can do the math, but Robinhood has made it much easier. So on the top right, you can tap on shares and change it from buy in shares to buy in dollars. And what this allows you to do is buy basically whatever amount of the stock you want. You want to toss $5 at it? Great, do it. Now let's say you want to close your entire position in a company. Well, you're going to go to sell like you normally would, and then make sure that dollars is shown in the top right hand corner. This way you can tap sell all in the middle of your screen, and you can close your entire position regardless of what funky amount of shares you own. Now it's worth noting that you can buy what basically, whatever dollar amount you want, but you can't set stop losses for those. So if you're trying to like practice trading but in little tiny pieces, you're not going to be able to set stop losses. But you can set notifications on a different platform like Thinkorswim and kind of use that as a stop loss, so you get notified when it hits a certain price level, and then you can exit the trade and use that kind of as a manual stop loss. But if you're hoping to put stop loss orders, can't do it for fractional shares in Robinhood. I hope over the years of dedicated nurturing and care, you'll be able to watch this baby grow. I'm in the money. I will catch you guys next time. Finger guns.